Good morning, students. Today we will discuss petroleum. And what is the petroleum? The term petroleum arises from the Latin word. It means petra. Petra means rocks, and oleum. Oleum means oil. The oil which is obtained from the rocks. The oil which is found in rock known as petroleum. Petroleum is actually, it is a mixture of hydrocarbons, solid, liquid and gaseous hydrocarbons. It is formed from the dead remains of animals. How it is formed? Do you know? At the seabed, various animals living in the sea. If we observe that, we will see that there are a number of the organisms, many of the organisms that present on the earth, land, more than many times more organisms live into the oceans, seas. When these organisms die, their dead bodies deposit at the seabed. Their dead bodies deposit at the seabed. Got it? And when their bodies deposit on the seabed, along with the sea rivers carry the soil. This soil deposit over here, and like this. These are the dead bodies of animals. There is soil will deposit over here. Again dead bodies. Again soil, a layer of the silt will deposit over here, and they make the different layers. And these different layers are known as sediments. These different layers are known as sediments. Now, in course of the high temperature, high pressure, these dead bodies of animals convert into petroleum in course of long duration. We have seen about millions of years it will take. Ultimately, this petroleum will obtain. Now, petroleum is a dark colored, viscous and foul smelling liquid. It is pungent kind of the smell. We can't smell it. It is too foul smell. So, it is dark colored, viscous, gadasam and foul smelling liquid. So, it is known as crude oil. Petroleum known as crude oil. Many of the products, gaseous fuel, hydrocarbons, petrol, diesel, kerosene are natural gases, liquefied gases, petroleum gases will obtain through this one. So, by its distillation its distillation is known as fractional distillation. Its distillation is known as fractional distillation. Now look, what is fractional distillation? Actually, what is happening over here? We take the crude oil from this side, and crude oil is pumped over here. When crude oil pumped over here, at its temperature gradually increase. Like first 20 degrees Celsius, then 30 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius. As the material reach up to its boiling point, it convert into vapor. Like this. The material which is highly volatile, lowest boiling point, they will deposit over here like the petroleum gases. The petroleum gas, याद आ गया? LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. liquefied petroleum gas. This is the LPG. In this way, like this, we increase the temperature. As we increase the temperature, 30 degree, 40 degree, then other product will evaporate and its vapor will deposit over here. Now, this second one is the gasoline. Gasoline is also known as petrol. And as you know well, the petrol is used as a fuel in light motor vehicles. Along with the light motor vehicles, the petrol is used in the dry cleaning. Petrol is also used into the dry cleaning. Next, as we increase the temperature, we obtain the kerosene. Kerosene is used as a fuel in the jet planes. Number one. Number two, in our villages also, it is used as a fuel in the Petromax to lightning. There is no light available right now. All the villages connected with the electricity. Now, next one, as we increase the temperature, we obtain the light oil. From this light oil, we obtain diesel, and diesel is used as a fuel in the heavy vehicles, trucks, buses, and railway engine also. So, and diesel is also used as a fuel in the generators to generate the electricity in our villages. Next one, heavy oil. Heavy oil is used to heat the boilers, furnace and industries. So it is used as a heat boilers and furnace. The last material which is left after obtain all kind of the products, this last material is known as residue. This is called as residue. And residue, from this residue we obtain different products like the paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is used to make the candles. Paraffin wax is used to make the candles. Next one, lubricating oil. You know lubricating oil in vehicles. This one. Next one, asphalt. And asphalt is used for surfacing the road. Our roads are constructed by this one, asphalt. So, what are the products of the fractional distillation? What is fractional distillation? The distillation in which we separate out different products by increased temperature, and we can separate out different products on the basis of their boiling point. Difference in their boiling point. Some of the material having lower boiling point, some of the material having higher boiling point. So what are the products of petroleum? Number one, petroleum gases, gasoline, petrol, kerosene, light oil, heavy oil and residue. Thank you.